Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming your Apple Watch is paired and Bluetooth is active because the app pulls live data. Tap the Health app on your iPhone and go to Summary. This forces a sync. Next, open watch settings and grant permissions for heart, activity, and sleep. This is how the watch sends data. Once done, check the Today view for active metrics. This first step ensures you collect accurate baseline readings so everything that follows works reliably. Now you configure what matters. Choose favorites so steps, heart rate, and stand hours appear first. This simplifies tracking. Tap activity to set move, exercise, and stand goals. Adjust the ring targets to match your fitness level because goals guide daily behavior. Turn on health notifications like high heart rate and irregular rhythm to get proactive alerts. Once configured, the watch will surface trends and push reminders, helping you change habits by giving time. Finish by reviewing trends and highlights to understand weekly changes and spot long-term patterns. This is how you turn metrics into decisions. Use the share or export health data options when you need to send results to a coach or clinician. If you don't see expected readings, restart both devices, re-enable health permissions, and confirm Bluetooth. Most sync issues clear that way. If problems persist, update Watch OS and iOS, because keeping software current fixes many sensor and pairing bugs.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.